It's official, boys. We are taking the FD to Florida. The truck and trailer is gonna be here in about an hour or so to take this to Florida. So with that being said, I'm gonna get some gas in this car this morning. Are we gonna give it a full wipe down? No one's here. The neighbors won't hear us. Okay, no one's here. I'm gonna let this thing warm up just a bit. That's actually pretty awesome. We just put 10.7 gallons in the car, which means we're gonna be putting about 10 ounces of premix into the car. I literally have just over 10 ounces left in this premix bottle, so I'm just gonna polish it off, let her have it all. The one sucky thing about white though, and having a car that literally has injectors on every D cell, I build up like this carbon dust that's, I guess you can't really see too much on camera here, but there's like a black like cloud on the rear end of this bumper that I'm trying to fix.
Washing the car today.
And I want to wash this car before we take it out there because I don't know if we'll have the time, and how am I going to deliver a car that literally has black smudges all over it. So I want to fix that for anything else.
We'll fix it, dude.
I don't know how to use this pressure washer.
I'll show you, T.
With the soap gun thing. You think by now I would know, but I don't know how.
It's counterintuitive, Teach. This thing is really good, but minus is what allows you to put more soap into it, not plus. See, plus, no. Minus, yes. You gotta cut, dude. You can't show this.
I thought you did it.
TJ, turn it off.
Can you not fix it?
Let me do that.
You want to do it? She's squirting everywhere.
Oh.
Make sure you scrub good, Calv.
I'm scrubbing. I'm putting my finger in all the cracks, Steve.
Ew. Leave it to Sabrina for doing an unnecessary bikini wash in the middle of winter. This is the one design flaw that I have about these headlights, is that when you're washing a car when it's raining outside, you get like a condensation on the inside of the headlights, but it does go away when it dries up, but it is annoying and I do hate it because there's like literally an opening right in the back. Like this is open to the inside of the bay. I'm getting hosed right now. Thank you, Sabrina. Like this side's already starting to like fog up on that, or it's starting to defog itself, and you're literally just spraying me.
You not notice right away. I'm literally soaking wet.
People always say they can dry their car off with just one microfiber, but I never believe that. It always takes me to do at least two. I've never seen anybody do just one. Cal, have you seen anybody do just one microfiber?
Yesterday, maybe.
Yeah, right. Maybe if the car's like half dry. I don't believe that, especially if the car's in the shade. There's literally, it's impossible. You can't do it. I've tried it multiple times. It don't work, baby. Just finally finished getting everything cleaned up and detailed on this car. Kind of cleaned up the bay just a little bit for this weekend. I'm pretty excited. The trailer is gonna be here in about 20 minutes. We'll be seeing it off, and I'm excited to bring this thing out to Florida and kind of show the East Coast boys what we're all about. As you guys saw last week, the Supra got into a little front end collision and I kind of got screwed on that. Before I send this RX-7 off to Florida, I want to make sure everything is good because it is going to go on a trailer, and just the thought of going on a trailer and traveling so far kind of freaks me out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this dash cam on this RX-7. It's actually a front dash cam and a rear facing dash cam. This literally goes right up near the rear view mirror and it records continuously, so that if anybody bumps my car or anything happens while I'm not there, this camera picks it up, and it even records while I'm driving. No matter what happens, the RX-7 has footage on it so that it stays safe while it's gone. Now, I highly recommend that you guys pick this up because I wish I did this for my Supra, and it just gives you that peace of mind. So, grab your peace of mind, click the link down below, and pick up a dash cam right now today. All right, just got the RX-7 on the trailer. I'm gonna leave it aired up. We just washed it, so we're probably gonna have to wash it again once we get to Florida because it's going on an outdoor trailer. So it's obviously gonna get dirty, which kind of sucks, but I wanted to get one last wash down before we did go. But notice I leave it aired up on the way there because we're gonna be probably tying down through the wheels with microfibers on top of it so we don't scrape anything. But I'll see this car in 2 days. They're gonna do a non-stop trip from here all the way out there. So I think it's gonna take them about 36 hours or so. We're gonna get to Florida on Saturday morning, and come Saturday night, we should be picking that thing up. Open trailer life.
You said it was a closed trailer.
Okay, Dustin was supposed to bring his Evo too, but he backed out. And they're like, yo, if you guys bring 2 cars, we'll bring an enclosed trailer for you, no worries. And guess who backed out? Dustin. So I was left with the open trailer. So, I mean, it's behind the truck, so it shouldn't get like rock chips or anything, but it will get dirty.
You drive it every day, so.
I know, it just kind of hurts. All right, but I think we might be having a potential buyer come look at the S2000 later tonight. So that being said, I'm gonna be cleaning up the car today and kind of get everything ready as if someone was gonna come pick it up today regardless. This car is in primo condition, considering that it's kind of just been sitting, but I'm gonna be going throughout the interior and cleaning some stuff up. There's some dust that I wanna get rid of. I wanna make this car extra presentable when someone comes to look at it today. We never gave her a name either, which I feel kind of bad about. When I think about naming this car, I think of like Suki, like Fast and Furious Suki, who drove the S2000. So you know what? In honor of the S2000 potentially leaving us today, I am gonna call the S2000 Suki. I'm sorry, say goodbye. Adios, finito, see ya, wouldn't wanna be ya.
Wait, is someone coming today?
Potentially someone's coming tonight. I'm giving Suki some love right now.
Wait, you're gonna do it with these wheels and everything?
Yeah, and they're gonna get the stock Comtech exhaust. They're getting a mad deal.
Oh.
I put that exhaust on. Because I didn't really know. I just held it.
If anybody wants a reason why not to get a Husky, this is literally it. Pieces of blue everywhere. It literally goes 20 feet down the yard. This is what lies in my house everywhere. Isn't that right, boo-boo? Isn't that right, boo-boo? But how do you say no to this face? He's so cute. There's a unit at the end of our complex that Dustin literally just got. Dustin just literally moved into the community. So I'm gonna go down there. I think he's with his car doing, I don't know what he's doing, but I'm pretty sure he's in this building. Ah! Did I scare you? No, you didn't. You didn't hear shit. Memories. Oh, I'm on the skateboard. Oh my god. No, I'm out. You can fucking take it. Visit over. Dustin, I'm fucking proud of you. That is awesome. Big moves, big step. I'm excited to see what you do with that spot. Of course, as I'm sitting here cleaning the interior of this car and getting ready to go, I get a message from the guy who said he was coming tonight and he bailed. Which if you have ever tried to personally sell a car like private party, that happens all the time. There's a lot of you guys that are DMing me on Instagram, but it's like too difficult for me to sift through Instagram and respond to personal messages. So if you are trying to get a hold of me to come see the car, come purchase a car, or whatever, if you go to the throttle listing, which I'll link again down below in this video, that's where I have someone actively on messages responding to you guys if you're interested. I have a couple people coming later this week to look at the car, but like I said, people always bail when it comes to buying private party cars. But that does kind of suck that I spent today kind of getting it ready, but I wish I don't have to do it later, I guess. But I just cleaned up this whole entire interior and detailed it, and it looks pretty good, and it smells nice in here, which is a huge bonus. And the car has been wiped down and it has quick detailer all over it, so it's looking nice and pretty for the next owner.
Oh my god, I can't edit a video with this. Well, no. Me and Kona are ending the video tonight. Me and Kona are ending the video. Give me him. Okay, fine. You guys go. Me and Blue will end it just like normal. Right, Bluey? Alright, guys. We're ending the video here tonight. We're tired. We just got Korean barbecue. I smell like Korean barbecue makes you smell. You know, it makes the whole house smell. So I'm gonna go take a shower. RX-7's all loaded up and on its way to Florida, and TJ will be shortly behind it. But not me. I'll be staying here, so. Leaving you again. He's leaving me again, but it's only a 3-day trip this time, not a week trip, so we're not that sad. But thank you so much for watching as always. We will see you tomorrow. Do you want to do it? Peace out and keep moving forward. I'm feeling
Gotta do it for the video. Gotta do it for the video. Alright, Calvin, imagine I'm Emily. No. Hi, babe. Hey, Calvin. Hey, oh, I was kidding, man. I was kidding. There is no sippy action going on in this car.